Hi, hello dear students. You are welcome to learning Desktop Support IT Fundamentals training course. In this course, I will teach you about the IT fundamentals and desktop support. My name is Muhammad Ismail. I am an instructor in this course. I will teach you about the desktop support fundamentals. I am teaching last 5 years in different platforms and on institutes. I am also teach in the Udemy about 23,000 students stand in different technologies, information technology, programming, and search engine optimizations. These areas I am teaching different students on Udemy and other platforms. I am also teaching in some institutes here offline. What you learn about this course, any guy who want become IT technician and IT support, so you are able to know details about IT support, what programs you need to learn. After this course you may learn about these things and you can go for IT technician jobs. What is the information technology? I will guide you. What is the information technology? What is the computer? Types of computer, history of computer, what is the database, what is the networking, what is the software, what is the hardware. Is these things I will teach you step by step details. You learn about these things. What is the technician support, what is the troubleshooting, how that, because the softwares when you are working in any operating systems, so you need to work on troubleshooting and support the your staffs. So you must be know these things step by steps. Introduction desktop support, technical support responsibilities. If are you hire as a IT technical support, what is your responsibility, how you do your jobs, desktop support jobs, what kind of jobs available in the market, what is the title of jobs. After you know about the computer desktop supports, so you can go what kind of jobs in the market, what is the graphic designing, what is the web designing, what is the wireless networking, what is the IT career and market jobs. What is the computer programmer, what is the responsibility of computer programmer. If you work as a computer programmer, you are responsible to code the program like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, or video game softwares. These are kinds of the computer programmers do. QA tester, if you work as a QA tester, your responsibility to check the small task giving you will perform it according to the requirements. What is the webmaster, web developers? It is the responsibility to upload or manage websites. Any information they give you, any organization, you the responsibility to modify and update it according to organization requirements. And sometimes if you are professional level, so you can design complete websites on your behalf and then upload all things according to organization requirements. IT technical technicians, what is the IT technicians? Your responsibility to coordinate the specialist on your system and monitor the systems your organization, which organization do you want are working. Job for desktop IT support, application support specialist. Some countries call the application support specialist, some countries call the application support. Such it is different on every country. Help desktop operator, computer operator, maintenance engineer, maintenance technicians. These titles of some countries jobs. IT support engineer, desktop support engineer, technical support jobs. Network engineer, if are you working as a network, you are responsibility to connect and help the network engineers to work as a network technician to support them and install the softwares, devices, hardwares and plugins, upgrade and make accounts for the new customers. Network technician's responsibility to connect the plugins and installation the network systems. Database administrators, you work with database administrator support and data entry. Your responsibility to manage data and record data. Computer operator is the work like data entry, any task depending on the organization, which organization give you any task, your responsibility to work on the that task. Software engineer, it is the responsibility to design any program. So you are working as a software engineer, as a software support engineer. You are responsibility to make code and analyze the codes, how the operating systems work, how the softwares and applications works. Data entry operator, your responsibility to entry data according to requirements of organizations. Network technicians, your responsibility, you work on the network supports here, guides the follow you. IT engineer guide you the tasks, then you perform it according to your requirements. Assistant web engineer, you will work help with the webmasters, they guide you any task, you will be follow these tasks step by steps according to the requirement of organizations. Web administrators, responsibility to upload and designs and manage the websites of the organization, like e-commerce websites, any kind of websites. You working in big organization or small organization like online selling website, these are the webmaster responsibility to manage all data and orders coming to customers. Thank you very much. See you in chorus. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning IT support technician. In this chapter we discuss about IT technical support. Technical support personnel offers support for individual organizations in the different ways which help desktop, but includes in the awareness of option such a remote support, field of the information technology, or call center support. In completing this model, you will awareness about technical knowledge you have expected to develop. Research show you on slate. You will learn how to apply knowledge to help users to resolve their problems and improving performance of IT and systems. After gathering the information, you will able to gather information, provide advice to the customers, be able to communicate advice to guidance, understanding the organization environmentals, understanding technical tools and use technical support, gathering information. This staff call center are employed to the service telephone call customers to record details such calls, logging and systems. Call center is place where the customers and organization usually with some amount of computer automations. Call centers provide disk help to IT users before the staff, and call centers provide advice and guidance they need to identify the problems, faults and diagnose the softwares. These are the main important for IT help. What is the log fault? The record events occur the help to diagnose the software's attempts information gathering. The special IT gave which collect the informations for the systems and communicate and research analyze the issue in the desktop. There are will be handle the many different areas and talk with the customers and diagnose the fault of computer where they have problem and upgrade that according to the requirements. Direct questioning, also he or she ask the questions, what is the problem, what is the troubleshooting, what facing the computers, then they try to analyze the queries and try to solve the computer software and hardware problems. What does that mean? It is the level of that which help you to understand and resolve the problem. When did the users last interact to help desktop? There are attitude affect the run on difficulty to support has been often users. What is the actually the task of the help technical supports? It's the help to run the upgrade the system according to requirements of the softwares and organizations. Once establishment the entity the support service it's can be informed do up to date and perform task according to the requirements and try to provide desktop database networking supports according to requirements. Most of problems related fault hardware and software begin. There are many software errors occurs and faults. The technical support try to solve these problems and discuss issue on the softwares. The software platforms such as Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, these are the operating systems which are the running mostly organizations, and these are the help of organization try to solve these issues and analyze the problems which are the organization mostly face to resolve the data according to their requirements. Thank you very much. If you have any query related to IT support technical, I will try to guide you. Meet you in next lecture. Hello dear students, thank you very much joining our course. In this chapter we discuss about troubleshooting, how we solve the troubleshooting problems. Troubleshooting boot problems usually tools including emergency repair disk, self mode and recover the console, the backup restore system data. There are the objectives which help us to record the troubleshooting. Develop a problem solving strategy, help the troubleshooting more, such as understanding how server and network interact, train users to help solve the problems, learn the business process on your organizations, how your organizations working. These strategies help you create network diagram to help determine located specific problems of your organizations. Train users to work as alliance to solve network and resolve the problems. Learning save work when the problems occur. Quickly reporting errors, situations and conditions under the which occurred. Help the training users learn the initial business process of your organizations and acknowledge the peoples to located solve the problems repeatedly according to the requirements of the organizations. Develop a thorough step-by-step approach solving the problem. Gets much information as possible before you start. Often the recording error messages start sample solution. Determine many peoples are affected by these problems. Check the alert sent to your account. Check the event log. Use the system monitor filtering. Check the local power problems of the systems which can help you to solve the problem. Keep a database or log on to problem and how to solve that problems. Don't have guess to the similar problem was solved in past. Try to find out the problem. Sometimes you have to work on the problem when someone else is log on from another person computer. Try to run options such as do not have account administrator. Windows 2000 server record various notification information, event logs, system and event record information, system operating system security log and event log records, access to security information log, access file folder and information policy change, which can help you to understand the step-by-step troubleshooting issues on the your organizations, which help you to go step by step and solve this problem. Application login event that record information about how software applications perform. Directory service login event log that record event access with the Active Directory, such as updated Active Directory event related to Active Directory, which can help you to understand and shut down the events and then try to resolve and troubleshooting the events, which can help you to understand the issue of your software hardware and analyze the issue of the software. DNS server event log provide information about event associated with the DNS, such as instance DNS information updated when there are problem with DNS server and when DNS server has start successfully after booting. The file reputation service event log that's contain information file the event change when the service start and complete reputations task. These are the help you to understand the troubleshooting of the problems Windows operating systems. Type of event, date, time and event, source of event, category of event, event number, user account involved, computer involved, sample information in the system log. These are the system log, view of system log, which can help you view of a specific event of the operating system. If a server suddenly crash is not functioning normally, make the system log your first stop to log for a problem. You can look a specific event log by setting the filter category such as event type, event course, event category, event ID, user account, computer, data range, time range. Event log filtering, which can help you step by steps solve the problem. These are the image which can help you to analyze the event. There are several options to monitor event log. Size each log event, filtering, regular clear such as log before full, automatically or light, the oldest event when you log is full. Event log configurations, you can see the image of the event log systems. Setup, you can troubleshooting the server configuration problem including check the event log, check the control panel, add remove problems, tools and configuration that you need. Use the configurations your server tool in the administrative tool menu, which can help you troubleshooting server configurations of problems. Troubleshooting server configuration problems, you can find it configured when click here to configure the troubleshooting issue of the server. The user control panel tools to solve configuration problem. Use network and dial-up connections tool to solve the connectivity problem. To use tool device manager that available on the computer management tool. Use control panel tool to solve the configuration problems. Troubleshooting server configuration problems, which can find you Here you can manage it according to your requirements. Troubleshooting connectivity determine how many situations are experienced in the problem. Check the server NIC connection, verify the protocol, ensure NIC properly configured, make sure client setup correct, domain and workshop. The troubleshooting problems: check cables, connections and examine network cables for damage. It's help you to understand the troubleshooting problems step by step. Follow these steps, you can solve and understand the troubleshooting problems. Troubleshooting connectivity: check the connectivity problems step by step. Connectivity on the server: check where's the IP, TCP IP connections. The troubleshooting connectivities which help you to understand step by step connectivities on the computer, how solve the problems and where's the issue located. These are steps can help you to understand the issue of the troubleshooting in the hardware or software. Where is the issue of the computer? The TCP IP packet sent the Windows is not rooted. The solutions: it is unable IP rooted. The Windows 2000 server including command line tools which can be used for troubleshooting TCP IP connectivity problems these are also available in Windows NT 98 and other systems, which can help you to understand step by step connectivities. ipconfig is example of TCP IP troubleshooting tool. Used connectivity information: TCP addresses, subconnect mask, default category of Windows. These are ipconfig which can help you to understand the ipconfig ping, which are understanding step by steps and follow these rules, and which are help you to understand the Windows troubleshooting and diagnose command line TCP. When cable problems, when network communication problems occur, check the cable problems clearly. Troubleshooting cable problems: maybe occur any cable connectivity problems. How to resolve these problems step by steps. Check out these cables connectivities which can help you to understand. Then try to find out the software problems of the computer where occur any software connectivity or any installation of any plugin. Try to simplest solution first when you troubleshooting network printing difficulties such as checking printer connectivities. It can help you to try to find simplest way to solve the problem of the networking. Troubleshooting network printing networking problems: try to find the plugins, printer connectivities and installations, and it's connect properly. It's help you to understand easy way the computers troubleshooting problems. These are steps which you need to follow step by step and understand the connectivities of troubleshooting and networking of the technicians level. Thank you very much. If you have any query, meet you next lecture. Hi dear students, you are welcome to learning introduction of desktop support. Introduction of desktop support. In this chapter we learn about the desktop support. What is the desktop support? Why we need to learn about desktop support? Desktop support technician job has solved the problem. If any person working as a desktop support technician, any organizations that responsibility to solve problems of the IT related on the organizations. You must know talk to users with different level experience, how to ask questions. You must be able to ask the questions what kind of problem they have on their systems, and your responsibility to solve these problems, what users say and how to suggest change if they have faced any difficulties, so you follow and suggest them change the directions according to the organization's requirements. You must know where the search for answer to problems and how to apply documents to solution of these problems. The desktop support technician must be able to research the problem and find out the answers and make documentations and try to solve these problems. Introduction to desktop support and command network configuration. The desktop support technician must be able to know networking configurations and try to solve the problems and set the configurations of the network problems, software problems and hardware problems of the organization. Introduction to support users and discuss the corporate environment and tell them the solutions and provide the solutions of the softwares and hardwares. Introduction including net service providers, ISPs and call centers, large small repair shops. If you are working any organizations or call center, your responsibility to upgrade, install, configure the system according to the requirements and troubleshooting techniques including all techniques, hardware, softwares according to organization requirements. Information about problems, search, implement solutions, document your activities. When you implement any task, you document that's your activities and which solutions do you solve the problems of your customers and your organization's peoples. Here is you can install, there is a picture, the in organization some instructor teaching that and guide them how to solve these problems in installation hardware or softwares. They try find out the which anything of the computer may be miss or not plug in. They find out the issue for that. Thank you very much. If you have any query can ask me. See you next lecture. Hi, hello dear students, you are welcome to learning technical support desktop responsibilities. In this chapter we discuss about technical support technician responsibilities. What is the responsibilities of technical support technician, network engineer, data entry operators? When you are working, any organization has a technical support, so what kind of responsibilities and what kind of degree knowledge do you have, then can work as a technical support responsibilities, IT support guy, any organizations. Your responsibility identify hardware and software solutions, must be know about the hardware and software solutions, troubleshooting technical issues, diagnose and repair faults. Your responsibility, you know issues and diagnose what kind of issue in have the software and try find out the faults, what kind of faults have in computer or any systems are running your organization. Try to resolve the network issues, like if they have also problem of networking, they are not connected in the Wi-Fi or through network, so you must be try resolve the issue that have the customers. Install and configure hardware and software. Your responsibility to install operating systems, any applications and hardware of the computer. Speak to customers quickly to get root for the problems. And you may be understanding the root of the problems, how you speak the customers quickly and try to get the root of the problems, why they facing these problems. When you find the root of the problems, then it is easy to solve the problems. Provide time and accurate customers feedback. Provide time, the accurate time. When you find the root of the problems, then you try to give the time, how many times you can solve these problems. Talk to customers through different platforms, on call or face to face, depending on your organizations what kind of task they provide you. So try to give them correct time. Repairing the necessary parts. If it is the necessary to try replace the parts of the PC. Supporting roll out the new applications. If the new application running, you try to support them and guide them the solutions of the applications. Provide support to forms and documentations. Manage multiply cases at the one time. Try to ability to manage many tasks at one time. Testing evolutions, new technologies, new techniques. Contact electrical safety check and equipments. Try to find the all things which are using in your organizations. What is the requirements? IT support engineer, IT support technicians. What kind of degree requirements? Mostly bachelor degree information technology or computer science required. Some organizations require just O-level, A-level degree. Some organizations require bachelor degree information technology. It's depend in organizations. Must be proven experience as a technical support engineer and knowledge of web services, APIs and IP based protocols. And some organizations must be experienced with web based APIs and IP protocols. Experience a scripting language such as the Perl and JavaScript and other computer programming language, depending on the organization what kind of they are working programming. Good knowledge of management skills. Ability to troubleshoot complex hardware and software issues. That's very good. You must be ability to solve the problems of the organizations. You have the good experience and your responsibility to solve hardware and software issues of the organization, because the main key role of the IT support technicians, IT support engineers, IT support lab technicians must be know hardware and software issues. You can solve the issues of the organizations. These are the tasks of the IT support responsibilities. If you have any query related to the IT support responsibilities and IT support degrees requirements, you can ask me. Thank you very much. See you in next lecture. Hi students, you are welcome to learning desktop support technicians. In this chapter we discuss about desktop support jobs. What kind of jobs available in the market after completion you technical course, what you will learn and what kind of job do you perform and what kind of job they are available. Here we talk about the desktop support job available for the desktop support professional technicians and beginners. IT technical support officer. IT technical support officer monitor and maintains the computer system and network of organization. You will be install and configuration computer systems. Your responsibility if you are hired in any position. Any organization has a IT technical support officer. Your responsibility to monitor system maintenance, responsibility, installation, upgrade, configuration, network, software and hardware of the organizations. Diagnose hardware, software faults and solve the technical and application problem either on the phone or personal. Your responsibility to solve the problems. You can solve the problems by calling them on the phone step by step or go to personally on theirs. So can you solve these problems of the organizations which can help you to solve according to requirements. Technical support, you will be cover one or more areas of expertise. Your expertise must be one or more areas in the organization, computer system, all areas, their operations, decision making process. You are must be solve and maintain IT systems according to the your organization's requirements. These are a few job titles which are available and may be different from every country. Application support specialist, desktop support technicians, help desk operators, data operators, maintenance engineer, maintenance technicians, IT support engineer, IT support technicians, desktop support engineer, lab engineer, technical support. These are jobs available. These are titles of jobs, but your responsibility is the maintain, install, network configurations on the system and give the IT related support organizations and your clients and customers, employees according to organization requirements. You are responsible for the smooth running computer system and ensure that user get maximum benefits. You are responsible to give the maximum benefit, include individuals task every depending on the size of structure and organization. That's depend on your organization. If are you working is the big organization, so depending on the responsibilities, what kind of the responsibilities they give you, you follow these instructions according to the director of organization or CEO of organization, which give you decision which responsibilities you will be solve depending on the every organization size. Install, these are responsibilities in the IT technician support. Install and configure computer hardware, operating system and application. You are able to how configure, install hardware, operating systems and application. Any application your responsibility to install in your organization. Monitor and maintenance computer system and network. You are providing also network to your organization, like through the Wi-Fi, do you providing internet or through wire, depending on your organization. Your responsibility to monitor network on the system, talk staffs or clients through depending on the your requirements, and they if have any problem you can go and ask them and try to solve the problems according their requirements. Troubleshooting system and network problems, diagnose, solve hardware or software faults. If they have hardware problems or software problems, your responsibility to try troubleshooting, solve these problems, replace part of required. If required any part, you must be able to replace that, provide support including documentations, reports, all kinds of support do you provide there, including documentation and relevant report, diagrams, written instruction, repair faults and support them all out. Applications, set up new users account profiles and dial password issues. If they have any issue login the systems, do you responsibility to make new accounts and provide them account. Responsibility agreement with limited calls, work continually on task till the complete the task. If they have any query, any problem, you continually work on that and try to solve these problems. What are the salary of the IT support technicians? They are different from every country to every country, but start in the 17,000s to 33,000s the IT technician supports. After experience, if you have experience in IT technician support, they can increase 26 to 35,000. The technical support managers can earn more than about 40,000 per annum. If you have any query about IT support technician jobs, you can ask me. It depends on every country, on different title must be used. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture. Hello dear students, thank you very much for joining our course Information Technology Fundamentals. Career, IT and opportunities. In this chapter we talk about what is the career opportunities for information technology peoples. Types of information technology jobs. Here is several type of jobs about information technology depending on the qualification, education, experience. We discuss all the type of jobs. IT support jobs. The primary duties for IT support jobs: specialist in responsibility for reviewing, solving computer network hardware problems for business. If are you in any business, like you working in any organizations, IT support, your responsibility for that, you solve the issues, computer network hardware. These type of issues you need to understand and replace. If any system, any hardware of computer, any reinstallation software, these tasks will be performed by IT support. Computer programmer. The computer programmer is someone who writes new computer software using coding language. Any software house or any IT organizations want to create their software, so they hire computer programmers who create software for them. They like any organizations hire any software engineer, so they give the balance. They like such kind softwares for their database system, learning management systems, or they for point of sales, depending on the organization's aims. The use in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, video game softwares, depending on the organization requirements, what kind of softwares they use, like Androids, React.net. These are the softwares. There are some softwares working on the QA testers. QA testers, the software developer, computer programmer develop the program, then the QA team check the quality of the software and check the bugs. Where is the software's leak, what kind of bugs issues come in the software, and check that different softwares tools, different standardize, then tell the software engineers, programmers, to these are mistakes, there's issuing, these are bugs. Then software engineers try to solve these issues. Web developers. The web developers design applications for organizations, websites, depending on the organization requirements. Suppose are you working the online selling e-commerce websites, so the web developer must have skills web e-commerce websites and maintain the websites according to the goal of organizations. so that daily check updates, what product shortage, how many orders delivers. They all things the software developer responsibility to maintain on the organization's websites. IT technicians. The IT technicians collaborate with support specialized analyze computer issues. The any computer have any issue, the IT technician will support, replace the equipments, check applications, installations, lab, uh, IT labs. These are responsibility for IT technicians. System analyst. It is the responsibility to review design components according to the organization requirements and analyze the requirements, infrastructure needs to change business. Any information related to business they study and give the report for the MD of the organizations till report details issue on the departments. Network engineer. The network engineers work on the day-to-day maintain development the company computer networks. The network primary responsibility network engineers to support maintains the network in the organization. If you are working any university has a network engineer, so your responsibility to maintain all network supports in the organization which are connected through the LAN wise, Wi-Fi wise, depending on the organization which kind of network they are using. The network engineer maintain the network and provide according to the organization requirements network to every students, lecturers, professors, administrators according to their usage. They are maintain installation new labs. Database administrator. The database administrator responsibility to maintain all data organizations and keep records organizations and updated it according to the organization requirements, day-to-day updates. Computer scientist. The computer scientist applies their technology skill and resource to solve IT problems for businesses. It is the responsibility to solve the problems for the business according to the requirements and implemented new technologies, new terms, the right new software for complete task, quick and efficient period. They try to make fast and easy which responsibilities and grow the business, the new functions and new technologies to create for the organizations. Software engineers. Software engineers knowledge about mathematics, computer science create a improve new softwares. The if organization have old software, so they update its new softwares and try which software is best for organization, which tools need. Are the software engineer's responsibility to manage software related issues of the organizations. Data scientist. Data scientists analyze and organize data, determine trends that influence the business decisions. They actually, if data scientist is very big and very demanding career today's words, so data scientist responsibility if are you working in banking sector, so you analyze all data of your customer, then you analyze all information data's organization, then you keep decisions how use these organizations data and which data useful, how can grow business with help of analyzing the data and using the new technology, machine learning, deep learning. These help you to grow your business and analyze the reports of your customers. IT director. IT director actually is the operational post. It is the responsibility to manage goals of organizations and perform professional collaboration with internal and external IT professionals. Web administrators responsibility to manage the websites of any organizations, like you maintain the website, host, update the any contact informations about the organizations, contact to hosting companies, so check the updates, your space, and any security issues related to website. You can solve these step by steps. Thank you very much. If you have any query, can ask me. See you in next lecture.